Simple things become hard to see. If we ain't finished in love, then baby, don't start a with me. The fire in that fast, we stay
Zero. Hey, minor electric jump. Text minor electric jump.
Ground control, November.
Boom, let's set 1800 on the mics, okay? So we're gonna go 1800 on the mics, on the magnetos.
That was November 40 Romeo, Quebec?
Yes, sir, affirmative.
November 40 Romeo, Quebec. Do you have information, Echo?
Affirmative.
November 40 Romeo, Quebec. Runway 9 left, taxi, Charlie, November.
Charlie, November, 9 left, 40 Romeo, Quebec.
Alright, so now what we're gonna do, you see the magneto say right and left? Alright, we're gonna turn it to the right to check for a drop. You don't want to, wait, one second, you don't want to drop more than 150. Alright, turn it to the right.
White Plains Airport via paid
then for the drop.
departure, paid as transition.
Left, back the boat.
As filed. Maintain 2000, expect flight level 4.
Alright, wait, so you go back to 1800. Closing up, bang, 1800. Left. One, bang.
21.
That's for the drop. It's about the same. You don't want 50 or more than 50 drop between the boat and not more than 150 back the boat. Alright, and now all pressure is good, fuel flow is good, temperature is good, vacuum is in the green. We have enough fuel, everything is charging. Now we go ahead and idle it. Power to idle. Make sure the aircraft doesn't cut off.
Hotel Tango Lima, Blanca Ground.
Aircraft doesn't cut off, it runs smooth. So we get back up.
Hotel Tango Lima, runway 9 left, taxi, November.
There we go, so now we check the comms and navigation. Right, ground here, ground ready. 134.675 is tower. 128.6 is departure. FM and GPS view, so we'll check the GPS. Go, auxiliary page. GPS 1 is good. GPS 2 is good. RAM is computed. Systems are all checked. Just check that, make sure the lights light up, everything lights up. Boom, turn it off. Good, now let's check our flight plan. Make sure that our route is, we're going to Boca, okay, and it's set. Now we can go ahead and call ground and let them know that I want VFR flight following to Boca.
No block of ground, November 925 for Yankee with you. Spot 10 with information echo, requesting VFR flight following to Boca Raton.
November 925 for Yankee. Miami departure 128.6, squawk 0175.
Okay, 128.6 and 0175 in the box for 5 for Yankee. No block of ground, November 925 for Yankee is ready to taxi.
Cessna 925 for Yankee, do you need a run up?
Negative.
November 925 for Yankee, runway 9 right, taxi via Tango 8, Yankee, cross runway 30, contact tower on the other side.
Okay, Tango 8, Yankee, cross runway 30, contact tower on the other side, 5 for Yankee.
Right to go right. Your controls? Right, so now we're going like this, up there.
Going?
Going, let's make this right there. So you push right. Yeah.
Block of ground, twin.
Push in the bottom, right?
Huh?
Push in the bottom, right?
Yeah, you push at the bottom.
9 left.
The brakes to the top. So. Try to put the line between your legs. Try and make like small corrections. The smaller corrections you make, the less work you do.
November 1, remain as
when you do big corrections, then you gotta go big. You gotta make correct. So if you just do it light, yeah. All right, pre-takeoff, flaps 0. We're gonna be normal takeoff. Make sure your back's power. Make sure you're gonna go rich. P2V that's required. We don't need a P2V right now. Doors and windows. I'm gonna secure my door. Make sure your doors closed. Alright, doors and windows are secure. Transponder is good. It's on ground right now. Landing lights on. Strobe lights on.
Number 145 Tango. I've got a target 7 miles east of the airport. Altitude indicates 1,700.
I'll let you do the takeoff.
See your ID.
I'll do the takeoff.
No, let you do the takeoff. So you see how it feel.
145 Tango.
I get right here. Right on the controls with you. Anything happen, I get control. Just take your hand off the throttle. Take your hand off the yoke air control.
Tango. Identify 6 miles east of the airport. Make left traffic.
Thing to do is keep calm, maintain direction of control. And that's pretty much it. Stay calm and then.
Coast Guard 2312, turn right at Fox.
Try to relax.
Contact ground 120.02 went off.
So when we take off, we're looking, you only want the power.
Precipitation.
Don't yuck in it, but just ease it in. Full power. Looking for 55 on the airspeed. Once you reach 55, you gently just, the plane's going to want to fly itself. So what you have to do is just gently rotate it back. I'm going to be right here in the controls with you in case anything happens. I have the others as well with you. Other than that, you should be good.
Hello, Boca Tower, November 925 Yankee with you 9, right, ready for departure.
Tower, good afternoon, November 45 Victor Sierra holding.
No, 9254 Yankee, Opelika ground, runway 9 right, correction tower, runway 90 right, cleared for takeoff, say your direction of flight.
Are we going to the northwest, northeast, sorry, 54 Yankee.
Number 54 Yankee, make a right turn westbound, I'll call you turn northwest.
Alright, right turn westbound, you'll call my turn, 54 Yankee, clear to go.
Alright, so we're clear to go, so your controls, hold on the yoke and then one hand on the throttle, yeah, so you line up at the runway, now you want to hold it in now, yeah. Alright, I got you. Take your foot off the brakes a little bit. Alright, so just mixture rich. Good. Power set. Alright, we line up at the runway. So now you're going to go full power. So ease it in. Ease it in full power.
145 Tango Tango, I'll call your base.
Foot heels to the floor. I got you. Remember the controls don't work on the ground.
Lima, contact Miami departure 128.6. Good day.
128.6, have a nice day.
Got you with you. Hand on the yoke, hand on the throttle at all times. Yeah. So in case something happens, you'll be able to pull back. You'll be able to release it. Right now, easy back, easy back. Alright, easy back. There you go.
November 45 Victor Sierra, fly heading 090, runway 90 left, cleared for takeoff.
090, 90 left, clear for takeoff, November 45.
Alright, so now you can rest your foot to the floor. Your heels, you put them to the floor. Not on off the pedals, but like to the bottom of the pedals. Right, everything looks good. Everything looks good. Let's straighten it up. There you go. Alright, you're going to make a right turn now. Ease it up. Ease it up, like right 15, 20.
November 1333 Echo, hold this wrong.
Yeah, I have it.
9 left for IFR.
November 5 Tango Tango, you can start your base turn now. Runway 9 left, clear to land. There'll be a Cessna departing prior to your arrival.
Okay, turn in base, runway 9 left, clear to land, 5 Tango Tango.
Right, so turn westbound so we can turn this thing to westbound. Alright.
November 33 Echo, caution wake turbulence on the departing Learjet. Fly heading 090, runway 9 left, cleared for takeoff. No delay on departure.
090, clear for takeoff. November 133 Echo, no delay.
Try put the mic a little close to the amount. Behind on the throttle at all times. So anything can happen, you know? Yeah. How you doing, solid?
You're playing games on my stomach.
Yeah.
54 Yankee, fly westbound and contact Miami approach 128.6.
Alright, continue westbound 128.65 for Yankee. Miami departure November 925 for Yankee with you flying westbound just off of Opelika.
54 Yankee, turn right heading 320, radar contact, maintain 2000.
320, 2000, 54 Yankee.
Miami approach, citation 510, Juliet Kilo with you out of 6100 for 3000.
How often reverse the glance outside, then glance back inside?
Say again?
How often do you glance outside, then glance back?
Hey, it's up to you. Once you feel comfortable, like for example, I look inside now. I make sure everything good, make sure the instrument's good, make sure all temperature, all is good, make sure I'm level, altitude is set, heading is right. I look outside, and increments, like you look in sections, you look for traffic, looking around with traffic. Once I see that you can actually look at the windscreen and see that I understand and if you put, for example, you see this little mark on the windscreen, if you keep that on like a cloud or the horizon, you know that, okay, I ain't descending, I'm still at level flight. You can spend more time outside. You're supposed to spend at least 60% of your time looking outside, or even 70% because you're VFR, 70% outside, 30% inside the cockpit. Only time you look in the cockpit is to make sure all your instruments are working like how they're supposed to work. But you're always supposed to be looking outside, looking for traffic, looking for birds, looking for anything in your way. You're supposed to know where you are at all times.
November 54 Yankee, right turn direct Boca at your discretion.
Alright, right turn direct Boca, 54 Yankee.
You're going to put on navigation mode now, so this aircraft is going to fly direct to Boca.
Miami approach, good afternoon, 905 Tango Juliet with you.
First time now, you're looking outside, make sure no traffic, and you turn. Like I said, they have this aircraft here, you like,
905 Tango Juliet, Miami approach.
have 500 feet above the ground. Be 1,500 feet lower than us, so I got them in sight.
November 5 Tango Juliet, just to verify, I'm showing 8 as Papa current altimeter 3010.
Well, let's check that up, let's do the same.
First Sky 428 Whiskey Romeo, about 3 miles to the northeast of Pompano at 500 feet, looking to pick up our IFR back to Orlando Executive Airport.
November 5 Yankee, if you're able to descend down to 1,500, there's traffic at your 2 o'clock and 7 miles westbound, 2,000 at Pilatus.
We're looking for the traffic and we're going to go down 1,500, 5 for Yankee.
Thank you. November 925 Hotel Whiskey, traffic 11 o'clock and 6 miles northeastbound, 2,000,
Right, so I'm gonna
descending to
disengage autopilot, okay?
1,500 to be a first time.
Roger that, we'll be looking, and when we get west of Denver, you could do what you want with us and bring us in, we're ready to go.
Number 5 Hotel Whiskey, Roger.
1,500.
Traffic.
I got him.
Pick it up from that far?
Yep.
4 runway Charlie has traffic.
Alright, you gotta make sure look at your altitude. 1,500.
12 Foxtrot, we're with you at 2,000, just off of Pompano.
Number 5 Alpha Fox, Miami departure, radar contact, maintain VFR on course.
94 Yankee, what's your altitude?
1,400 right now, 5 for Yankee.
Roger, you 10 to the southwest of the airport.
Yes, sir.
94 Yankee, roger, continue inbound. 48 mile final for runway 5.
All right, continue in, we'll report a 3-mile final for runway 5, 5 for Yankee.
So let's do the landing checklist. Landing lights on, turn landing lights on. Landing lights, boat switches twice, bring landing lights on.
Target
autopilot
89 with you.
Off, I have the autopilot off, seat behind us is good.
Jet 789, tell runway 5, clear to land.
Let's go.
Jet 789.
Officers required.
Number 94 Yankee, what are your intentions after your touch and go, sir?
I would like to stay in the pod for one more touch and go and then back to departure.
Roger, which direction are you departing after your second touch and go?
To the south, Dopalaka.
Roger.
And 5 for Yankee, 3-mile final, runway 05.
94 Yankee, runway 5, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 5, 5 for Yankee.
Right, 85, second notch of flaps. Check, fuselage flap, boat, flaps are squared, bus power, landing lights on, lights on. Right, last notch of flaps, out level 4. Here's the display threshold, you gotta land beyond that. You only can take off from here, but you can't land on that. I gotta put that Bahamas landing on the crosswind landing.
Tower 13 Whiskey Foxtrot, be ready, reaching in.
13 Whiskey Foxtrot, roger, hold short, runway 5.
Hold short 5-3 Whiskey Fox.
Alright, bring the power off, let the aircraft lead off. Oh, little bunks. On, flaps up. Power crosswind landing. Right, 55. Rotate.
But the crosswind is here, disgusting.
Yeah.
Number 54 Yankee, make left traffic, report midfield.
Left traffic, report midfield, 5 for Yankee.
TIS not available.
Right, left turn out.
Number 13 Whiskey Foxtrot, Boca Raton, keep it going around the corner, runway 5, fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear to go, runway 5-13 Whiskey Fox. And Boca Tower, experiment 3260 Kilo at Foxtrot, we're ready for departure.
3260 Kilo, rudder, hold short.
60 Kilo, hold short Foxtrot.
And Boca Tower, 5 for Yankee, midfield, downwind, runway 05.
54 Yankee, roger, right 360.
Right 360, 5 for Yankee.
Your right turn, 360 degrees.
54 Yankee, one more, right 360, please.
Well, once again, 5 for Yankee.
Millennium 560 Boca Tower, how do you hear? 54 Yankee, runway 5, clear touch and go, use caution with turbulence.
Runway 5, clear touch and go, 5 for Yankee.
Alright, bring the power back. Lots of flaps.
Millennium 560, contact Palm Beach 1252.
252 Millennium 560.
That feeling killing that. You get used to it, dude.
Palm Beach depart.
Jesus Christ, dog.
Yep, Boca Tower 6 Sierra Kilo is holding short, Foxtrot intersection.
Foxtrot.
6 Sierra Kilo, roger, hold short runway 5 Foxtrot intersection, wake turbulence.
6 Sierra Kilo, holding short, Foxtrot for turbulence. And Boca, where's that other trap for 6951?
6951, there's traffic off your left-hand side, 11 o'clock, proceeding southeastbound. Altitude indicates 1,900 feet.
Okay, roger that thing.
Deploying 6951, you can turn your base now and square it off.
Turn a base 6951.
Alright, flaps up. Alright, 55.
We're 54 Yankee, did you want to go shoreline or do you want to go out west?
Shoreline is fine, 54 Yankee.
54 Yankee, roger, you can turn eastbound direct to the shoreline.
Eastbound direct to shoreline. Fine.
TIS not available.
This ain't
Terminal
complicated.
326,
You got my heart
Sierra
like you
Kilo, runway
operated. I could get a lot of girls to cool with me. Baby, it's just you and me. I'm in love, don't make a fool of me. I can't buy you cars and jewelry. I'm not rich in money, I'm just rich in love. Come and get this love and truthfully be true to me. No matter how wrong I was, I ain't tryna fight like your last man did. I am not a clown like your last man is. Baby, come over, let's talk about how the world's on your shoulders. I will be here when it's over, you got me. Don't you dare be mad at me. Let's not fight, let's be happy.
The simple things become hard to see.